Good morning, class 7th. This is Srinarya. And yesterday we have started chapter 9, and the chapter is Rats on a Train. Rats on a Train. And yesterday I have explained some paragraph of this chapter, and today I am going to explain some other paragraph. And as you know, I have explained about some paragraph of this chapter. There is a scene of a train where some boys going back to spend their holidays. They are going back to school after spent their holidays, and there are a lot of thought in their minds, and they are very they are very sad, they are very disappointed to listen that there is a new teacher is coming who will teach them Sanskrit. But they don't want to teach with a new teacher. So they're talking this all, and after some time, a elder man who entered in their coach, and the student asked him to do not come in this coach because there are no space in this coach. You can go any other coach. But the elder man requests to them, I will sit in a corner and I will not bother you. And today I am going to explain what is happened next. The elder man, all the coaches are full. There is not even place to stand in my of them. I will sit in a corner and won't bother you children at all. He said, I will not bother you at all. I will sit in a corner. Elder man, where are you going? Elder man asked to the students, asked to the boys, where are you going? Bikun, a boy whose name is Bikun, he said, we are going to shout out somebody. Means they are going to hit somebody. Elder man, who is that? Elder man asked, who is that? Bikun, Kalo Kumaro Taka Lanka. Bikun asked, Kalo Kumaro Taka Lanka is the name of that person to whom they are going to shout out. Boys together, Kalo Kumaro Taka Lanka. Elder man, in Bengali this means black pumpkin and red hot chili. The elder man said to them, the meaning of Takalanka is black pumpkin and the red hot chili. Bikun, we know that. Bikun said, we know that the meaning of Takalanka. The boys laughed loudly while the man began to read a newspaper. Fourth boy, the train has come to a halt again. The fourth boy said to them, the next halt is coming soon. Elderly man, we have reached Asansol. The elder man said to them, we are going to reach next halt, and the next halt name is Asansol. I will be, and the elder man stand up and said to them, I will be back soon, I need to have a wash. He said to boys, I am going to wash my hands. The elderly man exits. Elderly man exits in the washroom. The boys get busy looking into the earthen pots and that belong to elder man. They happily take into his food, they giggle and laugh. When the elder man exits from there, the boys start to looking his earthen pots and belonging to the elements. They happily dig into his food and they giggle and laugh. They did some mischievous with his belongings. We can wait till he sees his pot plundered. The elderly man re-entered in the coach, and after some time, the elder man re-entered the coach. One boy, get off this couch. One boy said to the elder man, get off this couch because there are a lot of rats all over this place. And the elder man surprised, rats on train? How could this possible? Bhikkhun, look at airports, see what they have done while you are away. Bhikkhun said to the elder man, look at airports, what did the rats do while you were away? Mister, those horrible rats have run away with most of your food. And the other student said to him, the most rats have run away with your foods when you were out of here. The elderly man looks into the pots. Boy too, and they have even carried away the mangoes you had in the pot. And the another boy said to him, they carried away the mangoes you had in that bundle. The man lifted his bundle only to find it much lighter than before. And when the old man lifted that bundle, he found lighter than before. Means before he had many mango, and now he has less mangoes in that bundle. Elderly one smilingly, it doesn't matter. I known that before there would be raids on this train, I would have got a larger stock of food. It doesn't matter now. And the elder man said that it doesn't matter. They carry away my mangoes. If I would have got a information that there is a rat, I will bring stock of food and stock of mango for the rats. And this is the half chapter which I explained, and rest chapter I will explain tomorrow. Sorry, rest chapter I will explain tomorrow, and you have to read this chapter and you have to write its word meaning.